Hello everybody, today we are going to make these parts, one left to make, using Yangtuo brand VMC950. This is carbon steel. We are going to machine. We are going to use Udrill 8mm general purpose ZCC brand end mill, and also ZCC brand APKT11 inserts. Here is model of the end mill. This is the lower price general purpose from ZCC. This is inserts for Udrill, also from ZCC. This is the grade I use mostly, and this is inserts, also the same grade. Okay, this is 26mm shell mill with modular cutter. This is SK60 collet, and this is Udrill. Have no idea which brand it is. Okay, here is eye machining operation, and here is speeds I'm going to use. Okay, let's start. That's what the code. Here is first code, auto mode. This cut will be dry cut. After on eye machining, I will use eye flow. Okay, let's start. I hope everything will be okay. Here is dip of cut is 1mm. Here is RPM and feed. Now it's time for Udrill operation. Let's start it. Usually Udrill run on very low speed. I have no idea why, but always afraid of this operation. Okay, Udrill and face mill operation is done. Now it's time to run this engine. Давай. Okay, this part is done. Now I'm going to take this part to another part, and we are going to compare each other. We'll compare if tool sharpness was changing between this operation. Okay, this is surface for first operation. This is surface for second operation. The same, I think. Nothing has changed. This is surface for third operation. The same, nothing has changed. And this is surface for the last operation. I think the last operation surface is better most, because I don't know what happened, but those three was machining with coolant, and this was with airflow. Looks like airflow cooling makes better surface. Okay. Here's interpol. Surface finish, very good. And okay, this was made by general purpose ZCC mill. It is cheapest 8mm end mill. Price is only $8 or $9. So, and I have tested. It can run with normal speeds about 3-4, sometimes 5 hours, even on stainless steel. But if you choose this end mill from ZCC, it is PM series. Manufacturer said that it is much higher performance, and it can cut steel up to 55 and 60 HRC. It has different angle, and flutes are different from GM series. We will test it on the next video. Bye.